good spellers of the world, I have news for you. When you are dissecting frogs, which maybe you've done in science class before, or maybe you recently did that, or are about to do that, you've got to cut into the frog, and that is called an incision, okay? Let's learn a little bit more about that word incision, okay? The root in that word incision is cice, okay? Or can also be spelled side, okay? So cice or side. Write those down, please, because you will need them to spell these words. Notice the E is in parentheses here because sometimes it will get dropped if we add a suffix, okay? So that root cice actually just means cut, okay? So let's do some words, spell some words that have cice or side in them, meaning cut. Here we go. The first word is decide. I can't decide what to do. Decide literally means to cut away. So you sort of cut away your options when you decide. If I decide to eat this, that means I'm not eating that. So number one is decide, which means to cut. Number two is decision, okay? So basically you're taking the noun, decide, and you're going to change the ending, change that D to an S at the end, and change it from decide to a noun, decision. All right. Number three is precise. Okay, so if you are going to be exact to cut very carefully, you are being precise. Use that. It will help you. Precise. If you are being precise, you are using precision. All right. We talk about speaking with clarity and precision. Means exactness, cutting carefully, precision. And number five is that thing you do in science class. You make an incision. So we don't really use this as a verb, incise, too often. But what you do is make an incision. So number five is incision. Just means a cut, which makes sense because the root means cut. You're cutting into. All right. Let's see. I don't have a joke prepared. Let me see if I can get one real quick. I'm back. Here we go. Why does a herd of deer have plenty of money? Ugh, this is like kindergarten joke. Why does a herd of deer have plenty of money? Because they have a lot of bucks. If you didn't know, a buck is a male deer. All right, great work. Spell on, spellers.